In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook Marketplace account, whether you're looking to sell your unused items, buy some unique finds, or explore the marketplace to see what your community has to offer. Setting up your account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Facebook's website. If you already have the app installed on your device, you can also use it. Once you're on the page, locate and click on Create New Account. This is your first step in joining the vast community of Facebook users. Now, you'll be asked to enter some personal information to set up your account. Start with your first name. This is the name that will appear on your profile and be visible to others. It's best to use your real name so that your identity is clear to friends and potential buyers or sellers. Next, enter your last name. Again, ensure it's accurate for ease of recognition. After entering your names, you'll be prompted to input your birthday. This step is crucial as Facebook has age restrictions to ensure its users meet a minimum age requirement. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any potential verification issues later. Following that, choose your gender from the available options. This helps tailor your Facebook experience and might be needed for certain features within Facebook's vast ecosystem. The next field will require you to enter either your email address or your mobile number. This will be your primary contact for account-related communications, including receiving a verification code. Make sure you have access to whatever contact information you provide, as you'll need it soon. Then type in a new password. It's critical to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Write it down somewhere safe, or use a password manager if you have one to remember it. Once you've filled all these details, click on Sign Up. This will submit your information to Facebook. At this point, Facebook might take a moment to process your information. Shortly after, you should receive a verification code sent to the email or phone number you provided. This is an essential security measure to confirm your identity and the validity of your contact method. Wait for this code, and once received, enter it into the appropriate field on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Facebook account, which allows you to access Facebook Marketplace. Now you can start browsing, buying, and selling within the Facebook community. Keep your login